Hi guys, how you doing? I'm alright. Thanks for asking. Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can convert any crypto into any crypto. You get what I'm saying? I'm saying how you can convert one crypto to another. For example, converting USDT to Bitcoin, or converting Bitcoin to USDT, or converting Litecoin to USDT, or converting USDT to Litecoin. So in this case, I'm showing you a way on how you can convert any crypto into any crypto. So in today's video, I will show you how I will convert my USDT into Litecoin. Why am I converting my USDT into Litecoin? I'm converting my USDT into Litecoin because I want to make a payment, whether I want to deposit in my trading account or I want to purchase things. The reason why I'm using Litecoin is because Litecoin has got the lowest sending fees, lowest transaction fees, which means if I transact in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, I'm going to I will need to pay higher fees in order to initiate those transactions. But if I want to make a transaction using less fees, then I need to convert my crypto into Litecoin. So I have to make sure that where I'm making a payment, I have also made that option that I'm going to make my payment in Litecoin. You cannot send Litecoin to an address that you're supposed to send Bitcoin. Otherwise, your Litecoins are going to be lost. So make sure that where you want to make the payment, you have also the same crypto that you are supposed to make a payment. So in this case, there's somewhere else I want to send my Litecoin. I want to make a payment for Litecoin. So what I'm going to do, I'll come to my Binance. So we're going to do all these things in Binance. So you can see this is my Binance and this is my balance. So I'm going to just to convert a small amount of Litecoin or a small amount of USD into Litecoin, and I'll show you how this thing is done. So first step, we go on wallet. Wallet is just right here, and after you come on wallet, you're going to choose the crypto that you want to convert from. So in this case, we are converting from USDT, right? You tap on USDT and you can see what we're having right now, and you need to go to convert. Right, once you hit on convert, you're supposed to make sure that you know how much you want to send. So in this case, before I send, I need to make sure that there's a right crypto that I want to convert to. So in this case, I will tap on here and write the crypto that I want to convert to. So in this case, I'll choose Litecoin LTC. So how much do you want to convert? So in this case, I'll just convert $1 to $1 here, and this is how much I'll receive. But it's exactly, you can see that right here, it's exactly the same $1, just that you know, the numbers with crypto is crazy. So right now I'll hit convert. So right now it's asking me that if I convert right now, I'll convert at this rate. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just wait. Okay, fine. So you know that the market is always moving up and down, up and down. So it's like it's giving you a 5 seconds count because anytime the market might change the movement. So I'll just hit convert. All right. So you can see that I have successfully converted into um, Litecoin. So right now I can go either to history to see like these are the previous conversions that I've done, converting from one currency to another. When you come on the wallet, you will see that you will see that we have my USDT and we also have Litecoin down here, and my Litecoin is just 0.99. Why is it 0.99? It's because the market is always moving back and forth. So it's because of the market fluctuations. That's why it's changing numbers. If I come another time, I might find it more than maybe $1 point something else. Now it's time to send that Litecoin to wherever you want to send it. So how do you send it? This is what you do. Firstly, you come on the wallet again, and when you come on the wallet, you choose the LTC, the Litecoin. When you choose the Litecoin, and then you go on withdraw, right? When you go on withdraw, you choose send via network, crypto network. When you type on that, it will bring you to this page. So what you are supposed to do, is I'm sure if you're making a payment, wherever you're making a payment, they will give you an address, and make sure that address you come and tap it. You come and paste it right here. Okay. So I'll just give an example of a random link, but I'm not gonna send. I'll just put this link. Okay, this is like a USDT link, but wherever you are sending, you are going to get a link like this one, right? It may not look like this one, but it has got a combination of numbers and letters. So next thing, you come here and you're going to choose the network that you are sending. So in this case, you just come on Litecoin, right? But it's unclickable because my address is invalid, is an address that I'm just giving an example from somewhere else. So you're going to choose like the network Litecoin. If where you're sending they say Litecoin BEP like this, also make sure that you choose the same network. But if they just say Litecoin, then just go on Litecoin, right? And once you do that, you do the max amount, or you can just specify how much you want to send. So in this case, you need to know how much money you want to send. You might end up sending all your Litecoin when you don't want to send all of it. So just make sure you understand the conversions. You can actually check down here when you're changing your numbers. It'll actually show you that this amount is equivalent to this US dollars. Otherwise, when you're done, you just like choose where your Litecoin is. So my Litecoin is in the funding wallet. So just tap there and click confirm. And when you do that, you hit withdraw. As you hit withdraw, your Litecoin is sent to where you want to send, whether you want to fund your trading account or you want to buy things, you want to purchase things online or whatsoever, your Litecoin is sent, and the sending fees are very, very small. Guys, this is something that you need to consider. Stop sending Bitcoin, stop sending other things, more especially when they don't have Binance. Start sending Litecoin, because Litecoin will save your money. You get to spend very less fees on simple transactions. Okay, so otherwise, if you have enjoyed this video and if you find this video helpful, consider liking this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on how you can go about this stuff. Otherwise, see you in the next one.